Hello friends, how are we all? Trust all over the world. Welcome and thank you for joining me on this session today. Do not forget to press the like button and also subscribe my channel and do press the bell button. So for the session of today, come.
Homemade, perfectly soft cottage cheese or paneer, calcium, fiber, iron, magnesium, potassium, and protein loaded. But before I tell you the recipe, it's Om Namo Shri Ganeshaya Nama. Break away our false and misleading assumptions and presumptions. Bless us with keen curiosity, sharp sight, and clear hearing, far-sighted vision, true knowledge, and deep wisdom. And now for the recipe. Punjabi hill ball lemon or common lemon or vinegar. You can use either of the three. Now for the lemon, you have to cut 2 lemons and extract their juice. Now set to pasteurize the full tone or full fat milk. I am taking 3 liters. Now there, the process of pasteurization has started. Now extract the juice of lemons as I mentioned earlier. I have used 2 lemons. You can use the equivalent amount of vinegar also. Now when done, add water and dilute it. This is most important, do not skip it. In the meantime, the milk, stir at regular intervals and do not allow the milk lather to form. Now, as the milk boils, it is also pasteurized. Now stir and allow the pasteurized milk to cool down a shade. This is very important. The stirring must be continuous. Just a little more. Now there, that's done. Now add the diluted juice of lemons or diluted vinegar very slowly. There, you see the curdling of milk solids. But keep on adding the juice of lemons or vinegar. Now stir again. There you are. The milk has curdled and milk solids have separated from the whey. But wait, let it rest. Let it rest a shade. Now sieve the milk solids from the whey. Now when done, do not throw away the whey. It can be added to curries or gravies to give a creamy texture. Now, to remove the rancid and acidic taste, rinse well with water. And look, the color also changes. Rinse well. Now, when done, this water must be thrown away. Try and not use it. Now, cover a mold with kitchen towel and add the milk solids to it. Now bring the edges together and squeeze out the remaining rancid acidic water. Squeeze hard. The more, the better. Now, to give the cottage cheese or paneer a stable shape, place it under any clean, heavy weight for an hour. After an hour, remove the weights, remove the kitchen napkin, and there the cottage cheese or paneer has got a beautiful shape. Now enjoy the homemade perfectly soft cottage cheese or paneer as desired. How soft it is. This was, I cut it with the front edge of the knife and now with the reverse edge or the blunt edge of the knife. Look at that. Enjoy.
So friends, do try it and do treat all your near and dear, and above all, your enemies too. Thanks for watching. Bye. Have a nice time. And as I always say, to live healthy, cook healthy, and eat healthy.